القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Now, this is a video just to show you the names of some of the expert reciters, which I recommend that all of you should be listening to. Now, what you should do is you should go through each one of them and just find whichever one you like the most. The sound of them. They are all very, very good. They are very excelled in the recitation, in the qira'at, especially the qira'ah of Hassan Asim. So it's imperative that you listen to some of the famous qurra of the Quran as much as possible in your free time, and compare your recitation to them, read with them as they're reading as well. So here are some of the recommendations: Abdullah Basfar, Abdul Basit Abdul Samad, Ali al-Hudayfi, Ibrahim al-Akhdar, Mahmoud Khalil al-Husari, Mishari al-Afasi, al-Afasi, Muhammad Siddiq al-Minshawi, and Muftah al-Sultani. So these are some of the reciters who you should be listening to. There are other reciters out there, but these are the ones that I'm recommending purely because they have the best recitation and clear recordings as well. So of course you could click the links. If the links are broken, you can just put them into Google or YouTube or whatever sites or search sites that you are using and find those recitations.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.